Thousands of guests from all over the world come to Spa Jáchymov every year. They are drawn to Jáchymov by the unique radiant water and brachyradiumtherapy. This unique method is based on scientific knowledge and helps patients relieve pain. How is this possible? Our doctors identify the site that causes the pain, and afterwards the radiology assistant places a special box with radium salt next to it. This method is also known as Jáchymov's boxes. While the patient rests, radiation affects the indicated site to stimulate the immune system. Thanks to this, a completely painless battle takes place in your body with inflammation and pain on the losing side and your health on the winner's podium. All this in one day, just 6 hours that help you regain the joy of movement. Brachyradiumtherapy, a worldwide unique healing method of Spa Jáchymov, has been helping patients for more than 100 years.